Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just find it here and tap on the contacts, and now find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it, so I'll pick this one. Now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So then let's tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from, device photos, and we can open our own gallery and obviously choose something from those options. We've got also the camera, so our device will immediately open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Google Photos, here you've got your backed up photos basically, some monograms, so you can just tag the first letter from the name of the contact and just change the colors, the fonts, etc., or illustrations which are available online. They are free of charge, so it is quite a nice option to choose from if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So let me choose something from those options, just tap on the specific option. And now we've got some kind of presets, so we can change the colors, which is quite nice, and then we can also crop the picture. So here you can zoom it in or out using your fingers, just pinching gesture. You can change the position of it. You can also change the size of this highlighted circle actually, and thanks to this decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. So just mark the options, just position the photo like you want to, and tap on choose, and now tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.